Hey guys, so quick little video today. I bought some EvoTech spools for my Z900RS. I'm going to do a quick little installation video. Alright, so these are the spools. I have some other EvoTech parts on my bike. EvoTech makes some really nice quality parts. I bought these, they were about 35 bucks. You have a little aluminum metal sleeve that comes with these. You have a 8mm bolt that will thread directly into here. So we have one side on. See, they thread in perfectly. Has the EvoTech Performance logos on here. They feel really nice. These are made of like a polycarbonate material. You have an inner metal sleeve on these that is removable, and then they're also metal reinforced. My camera focus. They're also metal reinforced on the inside that you can see right there. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other side. I am using a 3/16 Allen. I wouldn't recommend impacting these on. I would just do them by hand. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And as you are screwing these on, just make sure that you start it by hand is what I would recommend. Yeah, but those came out really nice. They look good on both sides. Very clean, as normal EvoTech stuff is. Hardware feels really good, and I think they look really stealth and really simple on the bike. All right, now the nice thing is I got the spool stand on the jack. I can now maintenance my chain a whole lot easier, adjust the chain from here, and I can also do rear tire changes, which is really nice. That's something I'm planning on doing. So I got everything mounted up. It looks super clean. Everything lines up perfect as well, which is nice. It feels pretty sturdy on there as well. I mean, I would say the whole freaking jack almost moves with it, but I wouldn't do anything crazy, but for doing tires and things like that, I think this would be great. So I've got my straps on, definitely can tighten those down a little bit more, but you don't want to put too much force on these jack points. So overall, really happy with them. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick video.